Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add extension in Chrome Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply add extensions in Chrome by the help of your Chrome Web Store, but unfortunately Chrome Web Store is only available on desktop and it is not available on your Android devices. So to add Chrome extensions on Android in 2025, you will need to use a Chromium-based browser like Kiwi Browser, which supports extension. You can also use different kind of Mozilla Firefox add-ons and stuff. You can simply download a browser and open your browser that you have downloaded. Now you can simply add like extensions or add-ons to add to your Chrome, or you can even find buttons similar to this, and some extensions may require permission or data access, so you can simply review the message and click on add extensions. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.